How to send BTC to Newton. Have you been looking for a way to send Bitcoin to Newton? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will show you how to send BTC to Newton in a few easy steps. Before we get started, there are a few things you will need: a Newton account, a Bitcoin wallet, a Bitcoin address. Once you have these things, you can follow these steps. Log into your Newton account. Click on the Send button. Enter the Bitcoin address you want to send to. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Click on the Send button. Your Bitcoin will be sent to the address you entered. It may take a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed. Here are some additional tips for sending BTC to Newton. Make sure you have enough Bitcoin in your wallet. Double-check the address you are sending to. Be patient. It may take a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed. Once your Bitcoin has been sent to Newton, you can use it to buy or sell other cryptocurrencies. In addition to the steps outlined above, here are some other things to keep in mind when sending BTC to Newton. Newton supports a number of different Bitcoin wallets, including Electrum, Mycelium, and Trezor. You can also send BTC to Newton using a paper wallet or a hardware wallet. If you are sending a large amount of BTC, it is a good idea to split the transaction into multiple smaller transactions. You can also use Newton's API to send BTC to other wallets. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, here are some additional resources that you may find helpful. Newton's website, https://www.grc.nasa.gov/beginners-guide-to-aeronautics/newtons-laws-of-motion. Newton support page, https://www.newton.co/support. Bitcoin.org, https://bitcoin.org/and/about-us. I would also like to add that it is important to be aware of the risks associated with sending Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a volatile asset, and the value of your investment can fluctuate significantly. It is important to do your own research and understand the risks before sending BTC to Newton. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.